Kenya will now have to get used to a new face at the ICC as Fatou Bensouda took over as the court's prosecutor from her predecessor, Luis Moreno Ocampo.
I, Fatou Bensouda, solemnly undertake that I will perform my duty.
The Gambian lawyer becomes the first woman and African to head the prosecutor's office, which critics have labelled as one targeting African countries, with the court currently investigating 15 cases in 7 countries, all of them African.
I will be the prosecutor of all 101 and 21 states parties, acting in full independence and impartiality.
She was sworn in a courtroom presided over by ICC President Judge Sang Hyun Song in Ocampo's presence.
We should not be guided by words and propaganda of a few influential individuals whose sole aim is to evade justice, but rather we should focus on and listen to the millions of victims who continue to suffer massive crime.
Having been Ocampo's deputy for 8 years since 2004, her tenure is not expected to be radically different as she continues to prosecute the cases, including the 2 against Eldoret North MP William Ruto, radio journalist Joshua Sang, Deputy Prime Minister Uhuru Kenyatta, and former Public Service Head Francis Muthaura, who are awaiting the announcement of their trial dates. The 51-year-old had served as a Solicitor General in the Gambia between 1997 and 1998 and was later appointed the country's Attorney General and Minister for Justice in 1999 to the year 2000. She also served as a legal advisor and trial attorney at the International Criminal Tribunal for Rwanda. A happy Bensouda waved to family and friends in the company of Ocampo. Ocampo, meanwhile, said a special goodbye to Kenyans.
I like to say personally goodbye to the Kenyan people as a prosecutor. I'm leaving tomorrow. For me it was an honor, a privilege to work for you. And we are in the middle of a long journey. Justice will not go away. The new prosecutor will conduct the trial. Thank you very much for all your support.
He now walks away from the ICC and takes up the position of IFA's head of the Ethics Committee's investigation arm. It's the last Kenyans may see of him, unless there's a problem with football, that is. Hussein Mohamed, Citizen Wicked.